What's up, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the Alamanda golf course. It's a 9-hole on King Garden. Lucky enough, I was able to go out with my friend Candy and two of her ladies, Linda and Karen. We went out and I videoed while they golfed 9 holes. It was it was pretty fun. And so anyway, you'll get to see the whole golf course from hole 1 to hole 9. I did a flyover of each hole, and I also got some other video in there of overview of the golf course, an alligator on the side of the retention pond, some of the herrings out there, and just some good wildlife, some good videos, and I think you'll enjoy it. So let's get into it. Alright, so we are at King Garden. This is the Alamanda golf course. In the top left you see the chart that gives you each hole. I just wanted to thank these ladies again for letting me tag along, and it was a gorgeous day. You can see I had a lot of fun. It was a good time. I wish I could have done the next 9 with them, but my phone battery was dying. So each of these holes you have really great fairways, and everything is really nice. It's the Villages, of course, so everything's premier. The only one you couldn't drive on the fairway was this hole right here, number 3. You had to stay in the rough. That's unless you have one of the specialty tags on your golf cart, so you can drive on the areas where you're not typically allowed. But you can see the holes are pretty straightforward. Everything is clean and crisp. There is a lot of water along the edges of this course. There's also quite a few bunkers. These ladies, I think, like the beach because they played in the sand quite a bit. I'm just kidding, but they did play in the sand a little bit, which was funny. They really enjoyed it and had fun, and we were laughing pretty much the whole time, which was great. You can see them in the sand right there, actually. So there was a little gator on this pond here to your right, and there was a gator on the pond on the opposite side also. A little bigger gator on this one, which if you keep watching later you'll be able to see. The birds, they'll come right up to you while you're out there. They enjoy watching everybody golf also. This was a fun course to ride along on. Everything moved really slow. I didn't feel like there was a lot of people pushing us, and we weren't pushing the people in front of us, which I think is really important on a golf course, because everybody knows when you're on a golf course, the worst thing you can have is somebody pushing you from behind. That's why a lot of people let you play through if that's the case. There's a lot of tee boxes where you can choose your distance to go. I think there's 4 choices that you have. And then this is the last hole here. This is a long hole. I want to say par 4, par 5. Pretty sure it's a par 5, but a longer hole. And then the turn is up here. The clubhouse is actually straight ahead of us. And then after this hole, I'll show you the surrounding area. This area is kind of in the middle of where the Villages is, closest to the Lake Sumter Square. In that area, which Lake Sumter is typically considered the middle of the Villages currently, or was until they started doing all the new construction south of Highway 44. So you can see this is the entire area here that we were in yesterday, and I'll kind of scan the entire golf course for you so you can see all 3, because there's 3 9-hole courses at King Garden. I'm planning to do more videos like this where we tour different golf courses and do virtual tours of each course. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see that. I was also thinking about doing some interviews with these ladies to see if you had any questions that you'd like answered. They play a lot of golf, so if you have any golf questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to get them answered for you. As always, I hope you liked the video. Watch to the end to see what kind of shoes I'm wearing. And I will see you in the next one.